Good morning, y'all. I did a lot of talking in this video and lost every bit of the sound for some reason. So, gonna be doing another voiceover. This journal I used Yvonne Preston's digitals in. The kit was called Blue Florals, and I have listed her information below so that you can find her. This journal will come with some extra trims. I have some white eyelash trim and blue eyelash trim. These are discontinued. And there's about 48 inches each of those. And then I also include a piece of lace, the same lace that I covered the spine of the journal with. And this measures a little over 5 inches. I think it's 5.5 by 10. And I am umming a lot. It's my first cup of coffee this morning. So she measures 4 1/8 by 7.5, and then the spine is 1.5 inches thick. She has eyelets on the front and back in white, and then this piece of ribbon is just pulled through to tie. You can replace it. The inside of the cover is made of thin chipboard, and it is covered in this striped fabric that I rescued from some old pillows. And then the inside of the cover is cardstock. These are Yvonne's digitals. They're really pretty, blues and a light yellow and lots of green. This is blue cardstock, some coffee dyed paper, very, very lightly coffee dyed, lined paper, coffee dyed paper. This is some dotted memo paper. Came out of, I love those notebooks. I got those notebooks at Walmart on clearance like 3 years ago. I don't even know if they make them anymore. But it's very, very creamy, very, very nice paper. And then they were made by Mead, is who made them. This is parchment paper. Now, this is not vintage parchment paper like you're going to find in books. This is parchment paper that you're going to find in your kitchen. So there is a little bit of a difference, especially in quality and what kind of mixed media work you can do on it. Some more lined paper, coffee dyed paper, and patterned paper. This is the center of the first signature. The strings are knotted and tied in a bow and left long so that you can add dangles or beads or whatever you would like. There are 3 signatures in this journal. I used a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. This is just the other side of that signature. I used a 3-hole pamphlet stitch to put the signatures in. Here's the second signature. That is green cardstock. And the same type of pages. I just used the same set of pages throughout the entire journal to make it cohesive. Another flip out here. I have no idea what I was saying right there. I did make these 2 envelope pouches, and I will show those in just a minute. And that is the end of the third signature. Here you can see what the top looks like. I left plenty of room to build it up. I made these 2 envelope pouches. I have a video, I'll link it below, where I made these. I just tied them together with some ribbon. And inside of each of these envelope pouches is a little collage pack of pieces that I had left from cutting the papers down to fit in the journal. And I'll flip through one real quick. There's some of the lace that I used, some of the lined paper, cardstock, parchment pieces. That's that dotted stationery. Some more parchment. Some printed pattern paper. And some of the cardstock that I used inside. And the other one is basically the same. I just had a piece of the green cardstock left, so I used it instead of the blue. These are nice little things to have tucked inside of your journal so that if you're journaling on the go, you have some things that you can collage with or play with. And I did stitch across the top of each one of these, but I did not or back stitch them. So you could take that thread out pretty easily and reuse that lace as well. Thanks for watching this morning, y'all. Hope you have a good day.